So I hit the wrong button. So I guess we're gonna have a part 2 to that video now. Well, anyway, all right, we got the sprayer. We had to pump it back up and I hit the wrong button. Good luck to spraying here. Yeah. Spray's good. Spray's about I'd say it's about 10-inch wide fan. A 10-inch wide fan pattern. When I noticed when I had it fully pumped a second ago. Appears to do really good. I said you can't beat it. Harbor Freight regular price $29.99. You could add a 20% coupon to that, or if they got it on sale, I've seen it on sale a few times, you can catch it for $19.99. But unfortunately, at the $19.99, you can't use any additional coupons. Can't use a 20% off or anything like that. It's, you know, and of course, Harbor Freight, they always have their stuff. They'll advertise it for $29.99, but it's never $29.99. They'll always have it for $19.99. Yeah, I've noticed that with a lot of their products. You know, so they're not actually on sale, so they keep you from using them coupons. It's just their way of getting you in the door. You know, it's the way retailers work. Well, seems to work really good. Spraying it all where I weed eated, and we'll check back here in a couple of days to see how good it did as far as not the killing part, because you know I use a real good quality weed killer. But we'll see if anything starts growing back in its place. Then we'll know how good a pattern this thing puts out. You know, because I'm not trying to soak it down like a fire hydrant here. You know, if that's the case, I'm wasting my money. Well, there you go, guys. There's a good demonstration and review. And we'll check back here in another days and we'll do an update on the review to see how good a job it did. Alright, well, you all like, share, subscribe. Remember, hit that like button. Give me a thumbs up. Show some guys some love here. Y'all have a great day.